Assalamu alaikum and welcome to your new Urdu learning journey. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who always wanted to speak beautiful Urdu, you are in the right place. This channel is made just for you to help you learn Urdu in the easiest and most practical way possible. Learn Urdu, speak with confidence, real life phrases, and step by step guidance. My dear learner, I know that starting a new language can feel scary, but don't worry. We're going to make it fun, simple, and full of love. Let me share our exciting plan. Number 1, step by step Urdu lessons from alphabets to sentences. Number 2, real life Urdu conversations so you can speak confidently in daily life. Number 3, vocabulary building videos for your memory and speaking practice. Number 4, grammar made easy. Only what you need in a very friendly way. Number 5, Urdu culture and expressions so you can feel the heart of the language. Number 6, practice videos. Repeat after me, quizzes and challenges. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace. Just 10 minutes a day can change everything. This channel is perfect for non-native Urdu speakers, children or adults living abroad, beginners who want to speak with family or friends, anyone who wants to enjoy Urdu culture, dramas or poetry. A family, no matter where you are in the world, you're welcome here and I'll be your guide step by step. Why should you learn Urdu? Because Urdu is not just a language, it's a feeling, it's a love, respect, culture, poetry, and deep connection. Imagine being able to talk to your grandparents or watching your favorite Pakistani drama without subtitle or just surprising someone with a beautiful Urdu sentence. So, what are our goals? Help you speak basic Urdu in 30 days. Build a strong vocabulary bank. Make learning Urdu stress-free and fun. Create a beautiful community of learners around the world. Subscribe for daily Urdu lessons. Like this video to support the channel. Comment below why do you want to learn Urdu. If you are ready to begin this beautiful journey, hit the subscribe button and let's start together. Your Urdu journey starts today. Khuda Hafiz and I'll see you in the next video.